evening everybody and welcome back to the channel.
Hi.
It's been quite a while.
Hey. We've got another cheeky weekend coming up, so we thought we'd make the most of things and go towards a campsite at Tuxford in Nottinghamshire, not far from Newark. It's called the Orchard Park Touring and Caravan site, so that should be nice for a change.
Yeah.
Nice change to go on a site. We've just been to festivals the last 3 times we've been out, which is good, but it's a nice change. So
Got an invite, haven't we? So been invited down to SMC for the launch of the 2024 Frankia models.
yeah.
Not that we can afford a Frankia.
No,
trust us,
not that
but-
we're getting one. No, we
So,
love our.
it's nice to be invited.
We love Bell.
Yeah, it's nice to have a look round.
Yes. So, like I say, we were going to go just for a day, but we thought sod it and go for a weekend. So here we are, and we'll show you when we get nearer to the site.
Yeah, we're not bothering with all motorway bit. We've done this so many times now where you're driving along and the only thing you ever see is trees and 3 lanes of carriageway.
Yeah.
And you've all seen that before, so
not
we'll
very
catch up with you
interesting.
when we get a bit closer and we'll give you a good tour round hopefully because it's been a while since we've done the site. So.
Probably tomorrow, because it's getting dark early now, isn't it? So anyway, we'll see what there is to see on the way. So
Yeah.
see you in a bit.
See you later.
Towards Tuxford,
So
then
we're
slide left.
coming off the motorway now at last, and hopefully I'll be able to show you some nice scenery and see what we've got for you. Plenty here. Got lodges as well. So where we are, coming to SMC for the day. The open day of the Frankia 2024.
Bella, what are you doing? So we about ready?
Yeah.
Cool. This is the new Yukon.
bathroom. Those of you who have very deep pockets. Tempting. We all like these, don't
Have you drink her?
Yeah. TV slides out. Very nice.
I think there's a second-hand ones out here, I'm not too sure. Yeah. But you,
I'd hope so.
some of them are.
Yeah, that's a 17 plate and that one's still 130,000. Hello.
Hi. So we've been down to SMC, seen one or two that we quite like, haven't we? And then we went off them.
And then we went back on them,
and
and then went off them again.
So anyway, we still like Bell at the moment. We'll keep looking. Not that we want a new one anyway for a couple of years. So we'll take you for a tour around. This is Orchard Park Caravan and Touring Club. See what they've got.
Yep. Just a quick one though. If you like planes, well, gliders.
Yes. And it's been up here for about,
There's loads of
a
them.
couple of hours, and there's one that's, what did you say, 90-year-old?
86-year-old pilot.
That keeps flying.
You see them just taking off,
Yeah, there's another
literally
one
just
there.
across there.
Yeah.
One after another.
So we've got to be careful with drone.
Well, we can't set drone up at all. We have to go.
No, no.
Anything that I do is going to have to be really close to the ground. So which is a bit of a nightmare.
Never mind.
Even though I filmed this morning and it wasn't recorded, which I don't know why, but it's one of those things. So
anyway, let's go for a walk. So it looks like we're walking through the orchard now.
Certainly part of it.
Yeah,
like a
it's nice.
Little nature walk round back.
Yeah.
There's tons of apple trees and there's pears and all sorts. Obviously, that
Hence
must be
the name.
the Orchard Park bit.
Load of
Absolutely laden.
apple trees all on the floor.
All behind you.
Like little bombs going off in your feet.
Yeah, they'll be.
Pear trees, blackberries, all sorts. Nice.
The proper little orchard.
Yeah. And then you've got some
They look like blueberries.
girls.
I don't know if they are.
Little kickabout area here. Like a children's adventure playground here.
Any bike kids? Or that big
Kids. Oh, big kids. Be careful. No.
Gone are the days of assault courses.
That's what it is, assault course here. Picnic areas.
Well, that's a little bit safer. This is where I do a...
I'm going to climb on Wonky Bridge.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, proper wonky. Oh. Action man. and broken legs.
Water. This is us.
Decent sized pictures.
Yeah. Seem to be a lot of seasonals here as well.
Yeah.
They're really nice. Plenty of room.
Quiet.
Yeah. And then I've got 1 or 2 statics for sale. So we've got the utilities here. Got pot wash, bit of hanging space for drying clothes stuff. Disabled access toilet. Means and with means, and it's all coded. Showers, sinks, 2 showers, not bad. Push button, seat there, plenty big enough. And then just round the corner, you've got your toilets. And you've got your chemical toilet there. Bins. We just got the barrier key coded, so which is good, nobody can just come in and out. A couple of nice lodges here. And then you got your office and a few little essentials in there. So Brian's on
Vegeta mixing.
tea duty tonight. Checking for heaters.
Checking for heaters. Seems to be a van life staple.
Quick and easy, isn't it? Yeah.
It's certainly quick and easy tonight.
And all set up with salsa, guacamole, sour cream.
Homemade Vegeta mix. None of
Yeah.
none of that bought in stuff.
And we've got our little Tinkerbella waiting for some chicken. Ready for some?
Come on, what is it going to be?
She loves the chicken, does our Tinkerbella?
Just a bit.
Don't you? Well, that's us done for another weekend. Been great. We've had a great time at Caravan and Touring Club, and yeah, so we're on his way home now. We're a really good opportune weekend.
You're welcome.
Thank you. And so we don't know where we're going next. We'll have to stay tuned.
I'd like to say thank you to SMC as well, though, for sending us through the tickets. I know that we bought from them, so we were probably on the mailing list anyway, but it's always nice to be invited.
Yeah, yeah. So when you're driving along in your motorhome, do you wave to the other motorhomes, camper vans?
We always do, or I always do.
You don't get much uptake, so let us know below.
I mean, we were always in the understanding that was the norm, and that's what everybody does. And you watch the forums, and everybody says, "Oh yeah, I wave." I don't know where you are then. Half the time, nobody waves.
No.
So anyway.
Yeah, so let us know.
Here we go. We're going to hit the traffic.
Yeah. We missed his turn off. We were going to go a different way, but we're stuck in roadworks now. But we're in no rush, I suppose. So yeah, we'll see you again. Hopefully, like, subscribe,
Yeah.
and comment, and
Ding the bell.
Look out for us next videos.
Yeah, we'll try and get some more out now. I don't know. We just seem to be a bit lax with it at the moment, but we'll do our best to get as many out as we can. See y'all later.
Bye now. It's good to see you.